In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on both sides in Microsoft Word on A4 paper. Let's start right in Word with the document you want to print open on your screen. When you're ready, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you to the Backstage view where all your print options live. Click Print to open the full print pane. You'll see a live preview of your pages on the right and your printer settings on the left. Under Settings, you'll likely see it set to print one-sided by default. Click that drop-down. If your printer supports duplex printing, choose Print on both sides. That tells Word to automatically send the pages in the correct order for double-sided output, saving paper and keeping your document compact. If the duplex option isn't available or it's grayed out, your printer may not support automatic duplexing. In that case, select Manually Print on both sides. Word will handle the page order for you and pause at the right moment to let you flip and reinsert the paper. You don't have to rearrange anything yourself, just follow the prompts when they appear. Before you print, make sure the paper size is set to A4. Look for the paper size field in the same settings area. If your document is formatted for A4 but your printer is set to a different size, you could end up with cropped margins or unexpected scaling. Confirm that your paper tray is loaded with A4 sheets and that the guides in the tray are snug against the paper to avoid skewed pages. Once your duplex preference and paper size look correct, click Print. If you chose automatic duplex, your printer will handle both sides for each sheet. Let the pages finish without removing them from the output tray until the job is done to keep everything in order. If you chose manual printing, Word will print the first side of the stack and then prompt you with clear on-screen instructions when it's time to reinsert the pages. Keep the pages in the same order and orientation as they came out. Place them back into the input tray as instructed, and resume printing. Printers can vary, so pay close attention to Word's guidance about which edge goes in first to ensure the second side isn't upside down. That's it. By selecting the right duplex option, confirming A4 paper size, and clicking Print, you'll get a clean, professional double-sided document straight from Microsoft Word.